Welcome to Prague. Prague, the capital and largest city of the Czech Republic, is a captivating destination at the heart of Central Europe. Spanning the Vltava River, this enchanting city is known for its Gothic spires, stone bridges, and charming squares resembling a fairy tale setting. The roots of Prague trace back to the 9th century. As the center of the Kingdom of Bohemia, the city has served as one of Europe's political, cultural, and religious hubs for centuries. Prague experienced a golden age during the 14th century under the reign of Charles IV, when it became the capital of the Holy Roman Empire. Iconic structures like Charles Bridge and St. Vitus Cathedral, built during this period, continue to reflect the city's historical significance. In the 16th century, Prague flourished as an artistic and scientific center under Emperor Rudolf II. Later, as part of the Habsburg Empire, the city underwent significant transformations. Prague became the capital of the newly independent Czechoslovakia in 1918, following World War I. However, the 20th century brought challenges, including Nazi occupation and Soviet influence. The Velvet Revolution of 1989 marked Prague's return to freedom, and today, it stands as one of Europe's most celebrated cultural capitals. Prague dazzles visitors with its architectural diversity. The city boasts Gothic, Baroque, Romanesque, Renaissance, and modern Art Nouveau styles. Walking through Prague streets feels like stepping into a living museum. The Gothic arches of Charles Bridge, the grandeur of Prague Castle, and the Astronomical Clock in the Old Town Square are just a few examples of its timeless charm. Prague is the birthplace of world-renowned figures like Franz Kafka and Antonin Dvorak. Its rich heritage in literature, music, and art makes it a cultural beacon. Throughout the year, the city hosts concerts, festivals, and exhibitions, making it a paradise for culture enthusiasts. not only steeped in history, but also brims with energy and life. Its cafe culture, riverside promenades, and youthful vibe make it a perfect destination for travelers of all ages. Prague is a city where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Known as the Pearl of Central Europe, this extraordinary city tells a different story on every corner. Now, let's delve deeper into the mysterious and enchanting sights of Prague. Prague Castle is one of the largest castle complexes in the world, located in the heart of the Czech Republic's capital, Prague. Spanning approximately 70,000 square meters, this monumental site holds immense historical and architectural significance. Originally built in the 9th century, the castle has undergone numerous expansions and renovations over the centuries, incorporating a variety of architectural styles, including Gothic, Romanesque, Baroque, and Renaissance. It is now recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. More than just a defensive structure, Prague Castle served as the center of power for Czech rulers and religious leaders throughout history. Today, it stands as the official residence of the President of the Czech Republic and remains a powerful symbol of the nation. The castle complex features iconic landmarks such as St. Vitus Cathedral, the Old Royal Palace, Golden Lane, the Royal Gardens, and many other significant sites, creating the impression of a city within a city. Millions of tourists visit the castle each year to explore its rich history and cultural heritage. Perched on an elevated location, Prague Castle offers not only strategic advantages, but also breathtaking views. From the complex, visitors can enjoy a stunning panorama of the Vltava River and the charming red rooftops of Prague's historic old town. Located at the heart of Prague Castle, St. Vitus Cathedral is the largest and most significant religious building in the Czech Republic. This Gothic masterpiece is not only renowned for its stunning architecture, but also for its profound symbolic importance in Czech history. Construction began in 1340 under King Charles IV and was only completed in 1929. Over this long construction period, Gothic, Neo-Gothic, and other architectural styles merged to give the cathedral its unique character. The cathedral has served as the venue for the coronation of Czech kings and as a central place of worship. It is also the resting place of Saint Wenceslas, the patron saint of the Czech Republic, as well as several other royals. The St. Wenceslas Chapel, adorned with walls covered in precious stones and religious motifs, is one of the most striking sections of the cathedral. One of the most notable features of St. Vitus Cathedral is its towers. The Great South Tower offers visitors breathtaking panoramic views of Prague. After climbing 287 steps, you are rewarded with stunning sights of the Vltava River, the Old Town, and the surrounding hills. The colorful stained glass windows inside the cathedral create a mystical atmosphere depicting religious stories and artistic expressions. Among these, the window designed by the famous Czech artist Alfons Mache is particularly captivating and draws significant attention. The Golden Lane is a narrow, colorful street within Prague Castle. Built in the 16th century, it was originally home to goldsmiths and craftsmen. It is said that Franz Kafka lived here for a time. Today, the Golden Lane hosts museums and shops, offering a charming glimpse into Prague's history. Prague's Old Town is the historical heart of the city, renowned for its well-preserved medieval architecture that feels like stepping into an open-air museum. Developed as a trading hub in the 13th century, it gradually became the cultural and social center of Prague. Its narrow, cobblestone streets and buildings in Gothic, Baroque, and Renaissance styles exude timeless charm. At the heart of Old Town lies the Old Town Square, home to one of the world's oldest astronomical clocks. The square is surrounded by iconic landmarks such as the Tin Church and St. Nicholas Church. From here, several streets lead to the famous Charles Bridge, making Old Town a place where Prague's rich history and vibrant atmosphere come alive at every turn. One of Prague's most iconic landmarks, the Astronomical Clock, was built in 1410 and is one of the oldest functioning astronomical clocks in the world. Located on the tower of the Old Town Hall in the Old Town Square, this remarkable clock displays not only the time but also the movements of the sun, moon, and zodiac signs. Every hour, visitors are treated to the Walk of the Apostles show, where 12 apostle figures appear through small windows while a figure of death rings a bell. This intricate mechanism and artistic detail showcase the incredible craftsmanship of its creators. The astronomical clock is not just a timepiece. It is a symbol of Prague's engineering, artistry, and cultural heritage. Blending Prague's modern and historical essence, Wenceslas Square is one of the city's most significant and vibrant areas. Established in the 14th century by King Charles IV as a horse market, it has evolved into a central hub for Prague's political, cultural, and social events. The square's most prominent feature is the National Museum, crowned by a statue of Saint Wenceslas, the national patron saint of the Czech Republic. Surrounded by shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues, Wenceslas Square remains bustling day and night, reflecting Prague's dynamic spirit. Over the years, the square has been a focal point for revolutions, celebrations, and protests, securing its place as a symbol of the identity and resilience of Prague's people. One of Prague's most modern and striking structures, the Dancing House stands as a work of art that contrasts with the city's historic architecture. Completed in 1996, it was designed by architects Frank Gehry and Vlado Milunio. Also known as Fred and Ginger, the building's curved lines resemble a dancing couple, making it an iconic landmark. Inside, the building houses offices, a restaurant, and an art gallery. The rooftop terrace offers stunning views of the Vltava River and Prague's historic skyline. The Dancing House is a testament to how modern architecture can harmonize with Prague's classical charm. It has been a truly fascinating experience exploring Prague, but it's just the beginning. There are so many unexplored places, historic structures, and cultural treasures in the mysterious streets of Prague. Every corner offers a story waiting to be discovered. But we must remember that there are other wonders around the world still waiting to be explored. Thank you for watching. We look forward to introducing more cities, histories, and cultures in our next video.